guys, we're in Bush Up. We're gonna fish, catch some huge fish, probably tiny ones. Yeah.
Hold it.
Oh my God. This is our first time.
Look
catching
it.
fish. Wait, can I see that thing? Can I hold it? Who's catching it?
Hey guys, smile. Say hey, we're trolling.
Hey, we're trolling.
In Bishop. Rented a boat for the day.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, dude. It's a good one too. It's a bigger fish.
Nate.
Yeah, I'm gonna let go. Okay, don't let go of that.
Oh, that's a big one. Yep.
Okay, now bring your rod over here. Tip down.
Oh, Nate.
Can I hold it too?
Brother, Nate, you gotta take a picture with it.
Oh my God. Can I hold it too?
Good job, bud. You casted it all on your own and caught it all on your own.
Oh my God, this is the best thing ever. That's the same fish.
It
It
looks
looks
like
like
it,
it.
huh?
Let's take a picture.